There was a time when camping tables were nothing more than planks on uneven rocks or the nearest tree stump. But just like everything else in outdoor gear, tables have evolved. Today's camping tables are engineered for real convenience. They're lightweight, foldable, weather-resistant, and strong enough to handle both meal prep and family dinners in the wild. Whether you're an overlanding enthusiast, a weekend camper, or someone who just enjoys a hot breakfast under open skies, the right table transforms your campsite into a home away from home. So, in this video, we'll count down the top 10 camping tables for cooking and dining this year. Let's start strong with a full kitchen station designed for serious outdoor chefs. The VEVOR camping kitchen table turns any campsite into a 5-star cooking station. Its large aluminum tabletop gives you enough room to chop, cook, and plate meals all in one place. Beneath the surface, 3 zippered storage cupboards keep your supplies neatly organized and protected from dust or bugs. The detachable windscreen is a thoughtful touch, blocking gusts so your burner flame stays steady even when nature isn't cooperating. This table is built for function, with a durable steel frame and reinforced X design legs that stay stable on uneven ground. It's big, practical, and folds down surprisingly compact into its carry bag when you're done. Sure, it's bulkier than minimalist tables, but it's not made for minimalists. Why? It's made for cooks. If your camping trips include sizzling skillets and family feasts, this table is your outdoor kitchen. Spacious, reliable, and built for real meals under real stars. The VEVOR kitchen table is where campfire cooking meets home kitchen comfort. If you want value without cutting corners, the Seeutek camping kitchen table is your match. It's the perfect balance of portability and practicality, offering the functionality of a full kitchen setup at an accessible price. This model comes equipped with dual side tables, a 2-layer main counter, and 3 zippered storage bags, giving you dedicated spots for cookware, food, and utensils. Above that, a removable aluminum windscreen keeps your stove flame protected, making it easier to cook outdoors without frustration. Despite its generous surface area, the whole station folds neatly into a single carry bag. The aluminum build keeps it lightweight but sturdy, capable of handling the wear and tear of frequent trips. It may not have the ultra-premium finish of higher-end models, but it's durable, dependable, and impressively versatile. For weekend campers, tailgaters, or families who love cooking in the wild, this one brings plenty to the table, literally. The Seeutek camping kitchen table is the practical choice when you want full features, simple setup, and real value for your money. Camping gear should adapt to you, not the other way around. That's exactly what the WildFinder folding adjustable camping table delivers. It's designed for flexibility, letting you switch seamlessly between dining and cooking setups in seconds. Its sturdy aluminum frame supports a smooth tabletop surface, large enough for a stove, a cutting board, or dinner for 2. The key feature is the adjustable height system. Shift it from a low picnic table to a standing cooking station, depending on your need or terrain. The quick fold design means setup takes less than a minute, and when packed, it's slim enough to slide into your car trunk without a struggle. This table's weather-resistant finish makes it perfect for use near the grill, the lake, or even sandy beaches. While it doesn't include built-in cupboards or shelves, the payoff is portability. It's lightweight, versatile, and easy to carry anywhere. For campers who move often or like to travel light but still want a solid work surface, the WildFinder adjustable table is the one to bring. It's simple, practical, and ready for any outdoor task, from chopping onions to serving breakfast by sunrise. If you've ever wished for a tidy, organized kitchen while camping, Camp Solutions has you covered, literally. This portable kitchen table with cupboards is built to keep your outdoor cooking space as neat as your kitchen at home. The main counter offers plenty of prep area for cooking or serving. 2 aluminum side tables expand your workspace, while the lower section houses zippered cupboards, perfect for storing food, utensils, or cookware safely away from the elements. You can finally stop digging through bins and bags to find your spatula. It's ideal for group or family camps where multiple dishes are being prepared at once. The steel frame feels solid, and the tabletop resists heat and scratches. While it's a bit heavier than minimalist tables, its design rewards you with unmatched organization. Setup is quick, folding down flat for easy storage in its carry bag. If your camping trips involve real meals and real ingredients, this one's for you. The Camp Solutions table is the reliable middle ground between luxury and practicality, takers. Perfect for campers who crave both space and structure. Camping can be rough, but your kitchen doesn't have to be. The Nice Sea Camping Kitchen Table, Silver Edition, brings a polished, modern look to outdoor dining, proving that functionality and style can coexist even in the wilderness. Crafted from lightweight yet sturdy aluminum alloy, it features a wide surface ideal for cooking, chopping, and dining. Its metallic finish resists heat and scratches, while the frame folds smoothly into a compact carry case. It's easy to set up, easy to clean, and designed to withstand years of weekend adventure. This table is perfect for couples or small groups who value simplicity and sleek design. It doesn't overload you with compartments, but it does what it promises, providing a stable, elegant space to cook and eat comfortably. It's also one of the lightest tables in its class, making transport effortless. Whether you're grilling lakeside, setting up by the RV, or enjoying breakfast at sunrise, this table adds a touch of refinement to the wild. For campers who love clean lines and functional beauty, the Nice Silver Edition is a reminder that outdoor gear can be both practical and stunning. Cooking outdoors is all fun and games, until the wind decides to join your party. The JOUYEK multifunctional camping table solves that problem with a built-in windshield and sturdy side panels that let you cook like a pro, even on breezy days. This table features a wide aluminum surface for cooking and prep work, complemented by a stable steel frame that holds firm on uneven ground. The detachable windshield surrounds your stove, ensuring consistent heat and flame stability. Side shelves add extra space for ingredients or cookware, while the bottom rack provides room for utensils and small items. It's not the quickest to assemble. A few more parts to click in place, but once it's set, you get a durable, multi-purpose kitchen station, ready for anything. The JOUYEK's thoughtful design makes it perfect for windy campsites, beaches, or hilltop locations where most tables would struggle. So, if you're the kind of camper who takes cooking seriously, no matter the weather, this is your partner in culinary crime. The JOUYEK table stands tall, blocks the wind, and proves that no gust should ever stand between you and a good meal. Versatility is the name of the game with the VEVOR Detachable Camping Kitchen Table. Think of it as the modular powerhouse of outdoor cooking, designed for those who like to build their camp setup their way. This model comes with detachable side shelves, a spacious main prep area, and durable storage compartments underneath. The aluminum alloy surface is resistant to both heat and moisture, while the reinforced X-frame legs provide excellent stability. Whether you're grilling in an RV lot, setting up near the lake, or hosting a large-scale campsite dinner, this table adapts effortlessly. It's slightly heavier and takes a bit more space and storage, but that's the trade-off for serious functionality. Each section can be attached or removed depending on how much room you need, letting you customize the layout every time you set up. For campers who view cooking as part of the adventure, this is the table that delivers a professional kitchen feel outdoors. The VEVOR Detachable Table truly earns its title as the Swiss Army knife of camping tables. Modular, reliable, and built for those who know their gear inside out. When it comes to blending durability with design, the Giantex camping cook table is hard to beat. This portable kitchen station provides the structure and strength of a full-size setup while remaining easy to fold and carry. The heavy-duty aluminum frame supports a large work surface ideal for food prep or stove placement. Beneath, 2 fabric storage organizers keep your essentials close at hand. No more digging through backpacks for the salt shaker. The waterproof MDF tabletop is heat-resistant and easy to clean, while the entire frame folds into a compact carry case for simple transport. This table is perfect for backyard barbecues, RV cooking, or mid-weight camping trips where you want extra room without going overboard on bulk. It's sturdy enough for pots, pans, and everything in between. And its setup process is straightforward. Unfold, lock, and cook. The only drawback? It's not as ultra-portable as the smaller fold tables, but for anyone who wants a dependable mid-tier table that feels solid and lasts through seasons of use, the Giantex kitchen station delivers outstanding value and dependability. If you're always on the move, the GREGIN lightweight adjustable camping table is your best travel companion. Designed for simplicity and speed, it's built with lightweight aluminum and collapsible legs that fold flat in seconds. This model stands out for its adjustable height. Use it as a compact coffee table for morning tea, or raise it up to cook dinner comfortably standing. The anti-slip rubber feet keep it stable on grass, gravel, or sand, and the surface is both water and heat resistant, making it ideal for any weather condition. Its portability is unmatched. Weighing just a few pounds, it fits easily into its included carry bag, perfect for backpackers, cyclists, or festival campers who move often but still want a reliable workspace. While the smaller surface limits how much gear you can pile on, its convenience more than compensates. In short, this table is all about freedom. Light, flexible, and ready to go wherever you do. The GREGIN adjustable table proves that practicality doesn't have to be heavy, and portability doesn't mean compromise. And topping our list, the Pnbfhn aluminum-resistant tabletop table, a masterclass in durability and design simplicity. This model embodies everything a great camping table should be: sturdy, weatherproof, and elegant in its minimalism. The tabletop is crafted from premium aluminum alloy, offering excellent resistance to heat, moisture, and corrosion. The folding legs lock securely into place, giving you a stable dining or cooking surface wherever you set it. Despite its robust structure, it remains surprisingly lightweight and easy to transport. Its sleek, brushed finish gives it a refined look, while the simple assembly means it's ready in seconds. It doesn't have the bells and whistles of a full kitchen setup, but what it lacks in accessories, it makes up for in build quality. This is a table made to last season after season, whether you're camping, tailgating, or road tripping. For campers who value reliability over extras, the Pnbfhn table is the clear winner. It's strong, clean, and built to endure. The gold standard choice for cooking and dining under the stars. And there you have it. 10 outstanding camping tables that transform your outdoor experience from rugged to refined. From compact foldables to full kitchen stations, each one brings its own blend of stability, portability, and design. So, which one fits your style? The spacious setup built for feasts, or the minimalist table ready to go wherever adventure takes you?